Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize always on display on VIVO V29 Lite. To customize always on display, go to settings, then in settings go to lock screen and wallpaper, click on always on display, make sure it's enabled, then go to AOD styles and you can select your always on display screen. I'm gonna select maybe this one, then click on apply. Go back. You can also change display mode. I'm gonna select it to display all day, and you can go to notifications to choose which notifications will be shown on the always on display. Now when I look on my screen, it shows this new screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.